My name is Lindsay Poynton, I'm the Managing Director of Signum Solutions. I'm just reporting in to say we've just had our very first ProcessForce special interest group. We had a whole load of customers come in to talk about ProcessForce, the functionality that's upcoming in the product. It was a good forum for customers to talk to one another, exchange a few ideas. We got some good feedback from them to send back to Computech. Hopefully these ideas will find their way into the standard product. So all in all, a very successful event, and we will continue to do this. And I'm hoping perhaps we can open this out to other ProcessForce users in the UK, not just Signum customers. And together we can make the product even better.
My name's Adam Salisbury from MRC The Flavour People. We make sauces, glazes, marinades through very different parts of the catering industry, into retail, manufacturing, into the butchery areas. We've been with Signum now for just over 4 years.
So we're a company called Infusion GB. We pack tea bags for a number of different customers, brands and retailer own label, and we're based in Gloucester.
I'm Mike Alexander from Evolution Foods. I'm the Finance Director, and we're using SAP Business One and ProcessForce products as well. We have recently upgraded from SQL Server to HANA. We believe that HANA is the future, that is the direction that SAP will put the development efforts into, and we took the choice of migrate to HANA.
So Lindsay, for your great achievements, with my great pleasure, I would like to give you an award for the excellence. It's an excellence partner award, and we are looking forward for the future with such a great partner as Signum.
Thank you very much. And such a great product as ProcessForce. I think it has really helped us grow our business, and our customers are getting some fantastic benefits from your product. So, yeah, wonderful. Thank you for this. This hard work is
Thank you very much.
Worth it.
It's our pleasure.